Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on all things tools and gadgets. Today, we've got something special for all you DIY enthusiasts and professionals out there. We're talking about the Drixet Drill Stop Bit Collar Set, a must-have tool for precision drilling. Stick around, because you're about to discover why this is the best drill bit depth stop available in the market. Before we dive into the details, let's take a look at what you get in this 7-piece kit. You'll receive a set of drill stops in various sizes, ranging from 1/8 inch to 1/2 inch, and an Allen wrench for easy adjustments. These stops are made from durable alloy steel and are designed with a hex shank for a secure fit on your drill bits. They're engineered to control the depth of your holes precisely and prevent over-drilling or under-drilling. Now, let me show you how simple and effective these drill stops are to use. I've got my drill bit right here, and I want to drill a hole to a specific depth. With the Drixet Drill Stop Bit Collar, it's a breeze. Just slide the collar onto the drill bit, use the Allen wrench to secure it in place, and voila! You've got a depth stop that ensures your hole is exactly as deep as you want it to be. It's perfect for tasks that demand precision. So, what sets the Drixet Drill Stop Bit Collar Set apart from the rest? Well, here are some key benefits. These collars allow you to drill holes to exact depths, making them ideal for production work and repetitive drilling tasks. Made from high-quality alloy steel, the collars are built to last and won't damage your drill bits. The included Allen wrench makes adjustments a breeze, and the collars stay securely in place. These collars can be used with twist drill bits, brad point drills, or any other type of bit to prevent excessive penetration. At just $7.99, this 7-piece set is a steal for the precision it offers. Whether you're working on wood, metal, concrete, or masonry, the Drixet Drill Stop Bit Collar Set has got you covered. From woodworking projects to machinery and more, it's the go-to tool for anyone who demands accuracy in their work. In conclusion, the Drixet Drill Stop Bit Collar Set is a game-changer for anyone who needs precise drilling. It's built to last, easy to use, and incredibly affordable. If you want to take your drilling skills to the next level, this kit is a must-have in your toolbox. And that's a wrap for today's review, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews, and share this video with your DIY-loving friends. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.